Today we are doing a short Pilates workout on the mat. If you're watching this in real time, this workout is a part of my Build Challenge, where we're doing 5 workouts in 5 days to build our motivation and our confidence and our strength. If you want all of those resources, you can click the link below to sign up for my email list. So we're gonna start laying down on our backs. So we're gonna do an all levels Pilates class. If you're a true beginner, welcome. I love having beginners here, but you can also go find many of my gentle and beginner Pilates workouts if this feels too fast for any reason. So you're gonna have your hands at your sides and your feet flat, knees bent, legs are hip distance apart. So we'll just get ourselves situated. Let's take an inhale and then exhale, curl your tailbone. And then roll it back down. I'm just going up a couple of inches here since this is our warm up. So you're curling and kind of rolling those back bones off the mat and then letting it come back. Let's do one more like that. Kind of rocking through your spine. And on this next one, we're gonna continue up to what we call a bridge. So you're gonna curl your tailbone, you're peeling yourself off one vertebrae at a time. Reach your knees over your toes. Inhale at the top, and then exhale, come back down starting from the top. So feel like you get heavy one vertebrae at a time as you come back down. It's this beautiful articulation through your spine. Let's exhale and roll back up again. Inhale, exhale, roll down. Inhale at the bottom, exhale, roll up. At the top, stay here. Reach your arms nice and long behind you, and then roll yourself back down. We're gonna slide our hands behind our heads. So your thumbs go at the base of your skull, your elbows are wide. On an exhale, tuck your chin, roll yourself up to a chest lift, and then come back down. Exhale, curl. So remember, I want you to meet your body where it is. And I always want you to feel empowered in the movement you choose for yourself. So if this bothers you, if you feel like you're not comfortable with crunches, if it hurts your neck, I have a tutorial, I have a video just for that. So you can go find how to do a crunch without neck pain, and that will help. 2 more. Last one. Now your option, take a rest. You can continue and do 1 more set of those, or if you're comfortable, we're gonna go to single leg stretch, which means you're gonna pull that right knee in, roll yourself up to a crunch, and you're reaching the left leg out. So this is more intermediate. So continue with those crunches if it's best. Otherwise, you're right here and switch legs. Switch, switch, switch. So you're pulling and reaching at the same time. 4, 3, 2, 1. Both knees in, roll back down, feet come flat. Hands behind your head. All right, roll up for me. Option 1 is to roll up and now twist to your right, center, left, center. All right, so that's option 1, taking a break whenever you need it. Option 2, follow along with me. Roll down, we're gonna hug the right knee and again, reach the left leg out. Roll up to a crunch again, but now hands behind your head, you're gonna twist to the right. Then you switch legs and switch sides. So I'm rotating through my upper spine, reaching the legs. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's all roll back down. Nice job. Hug the right knee in, reach the left leg along. And then reach the right leg up towards the ceiling. Point your toes. You're gonna draw a circle in the air. You're gonna lower down to the left and come up to the right. Maybe you just start the size of a basketball, or maybe you can go a little bit bigger, but you're trying not to let anything else move, okay? So we're just trying to keep our back in the same position. We're trying not to roll and rock around. Switch directions. One of the principles of Pilates is lengthening. And when I think about that, I just think about trying to reach. How can I make things as long as possible? I'm gonna reach my legs out. Nice job. Hug that knee in. And switch sides. Give the left leg a good squeeze. Reach it up towards the ceiling. Point the toes. Lower down to the right and up to the left. You can bend your knee if needed. But if you're trying to keep it straight, really focus on that. Really lengthen and reach through the knee. Last one. Nice job. Hug that knee in. And then roll onto your left side. So you're gonna come to what we call a high elbow. And if this isn't comfortable, you can just come all the way down to your side with your head in your hand. Otherwise, we're right here. The bottom leg is straight at the top edge of the mat. Reach your top leg out long, flex your foot. You're gonna inhale, bring it forward. Exhale, point, and bring it back. So it's an inhale, flex forward. Exhale, point back. And here too, like the circles we just did, you're just trying to keep everything else nice and stable. So we're only moving the leg as much as we can without the back changing. And that's really advantageous when it comes to strengthening the hip, but also keeping a strong core and supporting that hip joint. So Pilates helps us support our bodies in all the other activities that we do. We're gonna take it to a circle, toes stay pointed, forward, up, and around. Last two. One, switch directions, up, forward, back. Last two. One. Nice job. Bend the knees. Come up and just give a little side stretch. And we'll take it to the other side. So again, either down flat or you can be up in this high elbow position. Top leg is reaching out, foot flexed. You inhale forward and exhale back. So this routine is one that you can do every day. If you want a little bit of Pilates, gain some energy, help your strength and your mobility. Keep your toes pointed forward, up, and around. So even when I'm doing my dumbbell and my weightlifting workouts, I like to add a little Pilates at the end. It always feels good to my body. Switch directions. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Bend the knees. Come up, reach over. And then swing your legs around in front of you. Straight legs are mat distance apart. Sit up nice and tall and bring your hands behind your head. So you're gonna sit up as tall as you can. This is already a stretch for your back and your hips. And now inhale, rotate to the left. Exhale, center. Inhale, right. Exhale, center. Feel like you're getting longer or taller with each rotation. So this is one of the best exercises you can do for that upper spine. So important to keep it moving. One more each side. And as you're consistent with it, it does get easier. Stay nice and tall. Bring your arms out in front of you. Little circles right here with your arms. 4, 3, 2, 1, reverse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the arms up towards the ceiling and then reach and dive over your legs. Restack, sit back up, arms come up and exhale, dive. See if you can go a little farther. Inhale, Arms reach up even longer. Exhale. And we're gonna do one more. Nice job. Bring those arms down to your sides. We're gonna come onto all fours. And you can stay right here with a little cat and a little camel stretch, if that feels best to you, or you can follow along with me. We're gonna reach one leg back and then the other to find a plank. And we're just gonna hold this for a moment. Our last kind of full body move here. So this really brings everything together from what we've done. We're gonna hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it up and back for a child's pose or this down dog position. You can walk it out, take some deep breaths, and then let's all bring knees down and shift back to that child's pose. And slowly restack your spine. Great job. Thank you so much for going through that Pilates routine with me today. And remember, if you want to be a part of the Build Challenge happening right now in real time, or get my other resources and full-length workouts that I send by email, you can sign up for that below. I'll see you on your mat soon. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Take a moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you never miss new releases. And here are a few recommendations for what to try next. See you soon.